Okay, here we are, day 3, and today we are just going to be making like a chili soup stew. I'm just basically going to take ingredients that I have already in here, and I'm going to go ahead and cook them up and stick them in my Dutch oven here. Oops, I get out of the camera. Stick them in my Dutch oven, and I'll take you along as I go. And also, I think I'm going to do some cornbread mix. So I'll show you that as well. So let's get cooking. Day 3. Get that heat going. Also, I'm going to get this heat going, both on like a medium. And then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil here and a little in here. Into this Dutch oven, I'm going to add up 2 sweet potatoes that I chopped up just before I started. I'm just going to start to cook and brown those a little bit. And then in this one, I'm going to cook my ground turkey. I'm going to just go ahead and salt and pepper. Salt, pepper, garlic. That's my 3 like trio seasoning that I use for everything. Okay, stir this around, get it all coated. Those browned up a bit, just for a little added flavor. Start breaking this up. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and open up all the canned items over here. Okay. Tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, black beans, and then some corn and pinto beans. Pinto beans, black beans. Just spray them till all the bubbles are gone. I'll just leave those there to drain. Okay, we're cooking good, browning up. Let's see, get this turkey flipped. You could just make this a vegetarian meal if you like. You don't have to add turkey, or I suppose you could add beef or chicken. I tried to get ground chicken and they didn't have any today, so I'm using ground turkey instead. Let's put a little taco seasoning in here. Ooh, I'm gonna have to make some more soon. A bit of garlic. A little more salt and pepper. Do you guys like to make meals that you just throw together from your kitchen, your pantry? Do you guys want to see any like shelf stable pantry meals? Just because maybe your pantry is over full and you need to get rid of some things because they're about to expire. There are ways that you can have things besides ramen that are actually good for you and have good flavor and but still are shelf stable. So let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. That could be a fun little series to do as well. Let's go ahead and pour in the corn. I'm going to do the same with the tomato sauce. This will help thicken it up a bit, not be so soupy. I'm going to add the heat diced tomatoes. Give this a stir. Almost forgot the onions. Put some in here. I'm going to put some in here also for a different flavor. Seasoning both as I go. Since it's later in the day, I'm using 2 pans, but alternatively, you could cook this in the bottom of the pan and then just add everything in the pan and just dirty one dish. But I got started a bit late today, so we're using 2. Okay, that is going to need some seasoning. Garlic. I should have chopped up fresh garlic, but I didn't. How about smoked paprika? That will go. A bit of onion powder. I still have this on medium heat. I'm just going to go ahead and get all those seasonings mixed in, get it incorporated. Okay, let's get that heat turned off. Go ahead and put that in. We're just going to stir this together. Might end up adding some liquid. It's too thick. Maybe some chicken broth or something. Or beef broth. Let's do beef broth. So I've been really liking this beef broth and seasoning. It's gluten-free, no artificial flavors, and it tastes really good. I like it. So we're going to use that. I'm just going to put it in the same bowl that I had the sweet potatoes in earlier. Add a little bit of water. Mix it together. Just like that, we have beef broth. That'll also add to the flavor for this. So that would be nice. Okay. push these away. Lid. Put it on there. Vent it just a little bit. So it has a little bit of room so it doesn't boil over. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up and get out all the ingredients and things for the cornbread. Are you guys doing well with this? Do you have any questions? Want me to continue, do the series again? Leave some comments below. Let me know what you're thinking and what you cook. Maybe give other people an idea too. So anyways, let's continue. Get a bowl out to mix it up. Oh, this microphone picks up sometimes some super loud things. So I'm going to get this pan out, and I'm probably going to have to end up muting this section out because these pans together are super loud. I have this fan going. It's very hot in here. Okay, so measuring cups out. Also loud. Okay. 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, and then 1/3 cup of oil. Using olive oil today. Sometimes I bake with a sunflower coconut oil blend. That's usually light enough and tastes good. So, but I have more olive oil right now, so I'm going to go ahead and use that instead. Ah, see, so loud. Okay, put this away. Ooh, I forgot to turn the oven on, and I can't read it, so put on my little readers here. 375. So, hello, good close up. Okay, on. Spray it with olive oil so it doesn't stick to the bottom. So, oh, by the way, honey cornbread and muffin mix. I'm just gonna make it as cornbread, like in a square dish. I've made them as muffins before. They turn out pretty good too. This is a nice gluten-free pre-made mix. Makes it easy. Put those back. And then basically you stir it together and you put it in here and you bake it. Very simple. Super easy. Let's see. Just move things around. My whisk. That's it. You just mix it together till it's blended. Pour it in. spread it out a little bit even. Okay, and then when the oven comes to temperature, I'll go ahead and stick that in and cook it for about 30 minutes probably, and then we'll put dinner together and I'll see you then. Okay, we'll get this cornbread in. Set the timer. I'm going to set it for 28 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and grab a little spoon. I'm going to take a little bit out. Set it aside and taste it in a minute so I can see what the seasoning, if I need to add anything or not. Okay. Sweet potatoes are almost done. I think it's pretty good. Okay, so let's check everything. This looks good. It's nice and thick. The potatoes are done. And then our timer is just about to go off. I'm gonna go ahead and check the cornbread because it looks done. Maybe. Yep. So this looks good. I'm actually excited about this. Go ahead and squeeze a little bit of lime juice. Take a quarter of this avocado. Put a few Fritos on there, just for fun. And then voila. Oh, you can't even see it. Good one. Let's just change that, shall we? That up. Put some butter. Okay. Cornbread with butter and our chili